Good day. I am Cecil Sunya and today I will be presenting the key findings of our research titled Evaluating the Effectiveness of Human Resource Information Systems in Enhancing Administrative Efficiency, a case study of the Zamboanga City local government. Through statistical analysis, we assess its role in streamlining administrative processes and identify key factors for successful implementation. For our demographics, the average age is 38.27 years. For the gender, we have predominantly female, and the average 3.13 years for the years of service with the most common tenure of 4 years. For our effectiveness and challenges, HRIS benefits correlation analysis shows a moderate positive relationship between process streamlining and reduced administrative time, indicating the greater use of HRIS correlates with reduced administrative processing time. Overall, the data shows that the HRIS had a considerable positive impact, that is 70%, on streamlining administrative tasks. However, the neutral and disagreeing groups suggest room to further enhance awareness or effectiveness, which is 30%. Overall, the data demonstrates strong confidence in HRIS' ability to drive efficiency improvements moving forward, which is 86.7%. For the analysis, there is a statistically significant moderate positive correlation, that is R value for 0.515 and P value of 0.004, between HRIS streamlining administrative processes and HRIS reducing the time spent on administrative tasks. This indicates that improvements in streamlining workflows directly contribute to reducing the time required for these tasks. This supports the claim that HRIS truly enhances efficiency. For findings and recommendations, HRIS is widely effective and it has significantly contributed to streamlining administrative tasks with 70% positive response. However, challenges remain with 53.4% employees who experience resistance during implementation, highlighting the need for better communication. And of course, the continuous training and IT support, which is essential for long-term success. We also include the leadership involvement, which strengthens adoption and policy integration. The findings indicate that the HRIS is largely effective in enhancing administrative efficiency within the local government. However, challenges such as technical issues, system integration, and insufficient training support highlight opportunities for further improvement. Strengthening these areas and ensuring leadership involvement will solidify HRIS' role as a sustainable solution for long-term administrative efficiency. And so with that, we conclude our journey through statistical analysis. Thank you for your time and may these insights contribute to meaningful improvements in HRIS implementation.